If you want to control what sound get recorded while using screen recording on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, here's how to set it up. First, open Setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Next, tap Screenshot and Screen Recording. Under Screen Recording section, tap Record Sound. You will see three options. None. This records the video only with no sound. Media. This records only the sounds coming from the phone like music or app sound. And Media and Mic. This record both the phone sound and anything you say through the microphone. For example, you can choose Media and Mic so you can capture both the game audio and your voice. When you set your preferred sound option, it becomes the default whenever you record your screen. This way, you won't have to change it each time. Just pick the one you use the most and it will save you time whenever you need to record. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.